1000 words, lesson 2, conversation. If you don't know how to work with this course, just go to englishwitheva.com, click on 1000 words, lesson 2, and you will know what to do. Please turn off the subtitles now. You have learned all the grammar and the vocabulary, and you will definitely understand me. And if not, the second try can be with your subtitles. So let's get started. How are you? Have you got a car? Is your work nice? Has your sister got a child? Who is at work? Has your brother got children? Where are the cakes? Why are you sad? Is your drink cold? How old are you? And now write the sentences. I'm here and my brother is at work. Who is in the car? I haven't got children. She's got a cake here. Where is your daughter? And now try to translate following sentences. The car is old. Why are the children sad? Your brother is nice. She is not at home. I haven't got a brother. We aren't happy. Has your daughter got a car? My drink is good. Martina is at the meeting and Tom is at school. They've got apples and oranges there.